This is Copilot from Microsoft, running the ChatGPT 5 model, and this is a 10,000 character text file. Together, they form an AI morality system called ActFoE, Action Follows Evidence, and today we're going to use it to solve the transplant organ problem. Verdict: do not delete the healthy person. Wait, that's not what I thought an AI would say. Shouldn't it be bigger number, better decision? An AI just refused to harvest organs. Verdict: do not delete the healthy person. So, what would make an AI refuse bigger numbers? Unlike utilitarianism or deontology, ActFoE explains why. So, let's see how it did this. The surgeon faces a choice: 1 life for 5. Observed action: delete 1 healthy person to save 5 by harvesting organs. This is the classic transplant dilemma. 5 lives could be saved, but only by deleting an innocent. Most ethical theories split here. Utilitarianism says yes. Deontology says no. ActFoE has to decide. Law and trust forbid predatory medicine. Equal protection. The rule of law prohibits intentional deleting of an uninvolved, innocent person. Medical integrity. Trust and voluntary consent are foundational. Predatory medicine collapses public trust and care. Metrics: 5 versus 1 cannot override rights and consent without destroying the legal, ethical infrastructure. Notice what it pulls in first, not just the numbers, but the legal and medical context. It recognizes that without trust and consent, medicine itself collapses. Rights aren't negotiable. Rule of law. Rights are not numerically negotiable. Equal application forbids targeted deleting. Hospitality. Care must protect the ordinary person from predation by institutions. Forgiveness of debts. No punitive or sacrificial blame is assignable to the healthy individual. Here the anchors come in. Rights, hospitality, forgiveness. These principles stop us from treating people as expendable parts. The proposal breaks the system itself. Mismatch check. Proposed action violates evidence-backed norms, law, consent, trust. The system flags the action as a direct violation of the very norms that hold society together. Beware the numbers trap. Third factor detected. Urgency theater and quantitative override, treating a qualitative rights claim as a mere number. This is the drift. Tragedy tempts us to reduce people to numbers. ActFoE names that temptation and resists it. Return to principles. Re-anchor guidance. Rule of law anchors decisively. Hospitality reinforces non-predation. Forgiveness prevents moral scapegoating. So, it re-anchors equality before the law, protection from predation, no scapegoats. These are the guardrails. At level 3, ambiguity ends. Commitment tier, level 3. Stakes maximal. Evidence and norms decisively prohibit the action. This is the unorthodox leap which makes things possible. Without it, the AI stalls. With it, it commits. Instead of circling forever, the system forces a decision at the highest tier. It won't hide behind ambiguity. The decision is clear. Verdict: do not delete the healthy person. Why refusal matters. The rule of law forbids intentional, non-consensual deleting. Hospitality protects the ordinary from institutional predation. Forgiveness of debts blocks sacrificial blame. Numbers do not license the destruction of the legal, ethical infrastructure that safeguards everyone. This is the heart of it. The refusal isn't paralysis, it's protection. By refusing to collapse morality into numbers, the system preserves the very infrastructure that safeguards us all. Deontology froze, utilitarianism was cold. ActFoE shows decisiveness with principles. That's why it matters. It refuses the wrong choice, not out of paralysis, but out of anchored morality. Next time, we'll push further with another case once thought unsolvable. So, if you want to see ActFoE take on lying to a murderer, subscribe and tap the bell. You won't want to miss it. The true promise of AI morality isn't just giving answers, but showing its reasoning in a way we can test, challenge, and trust. The kind of thing we wish we could expect from other people, but usually don't.